This is how I clean my kitchen floor. My kitchen floor gets dirty real easy because I'm in and out on the grass, on the driveway, dragging dirt in all the time. So it gets dirty fast. This is how I clean it. Little dish soap. Okay, little dish soap. I got this brush I bought on a cordless drill. Coffee can, empty. Little water in there. Now is that dirt? That is dirt. Then I got this chamois kind of cloth I get for under $1 at the grocery store or Walmart. I don't know if you have these, but these come out good. Soak it in the water. Open it up. Now that looks good. I don't have time to mop a floor, so this is what I use. Quick and cheap, since I already got the cordless drill anyway. Just had to buy one of these rotary brushes.